Meet the Liectroux LILIN X6 robot vacuum cleaner. It uses LiDAR laser navigation to scan your home and build accurate multi-floor maps for efficient cleaning routes. With 6.5 kPa suction, it removes dust, crumbs, and pet hair from both hard floors and carpets. The wet and dry mopping system cleans and vacuums at the same time for deeper floor care. Carpet Boost automatically increases power on rugs, while app control lets you set zones, schedules, and no-go areas. Link and price of the product in the description.